How's it going? Today, I'm going to be doing an in-depth review of the new 2012 Lexus IS 250. This will be a full, in-depth tour of the IS 250, reviewing the interior as well as exterior. Now let's go into the interior. Lexus gives you smart key access system. All you need to do is keep the key fob in your pocket. Hit the button to lock. Give it a second. And then just put your hand over the handle and it's open. Nice all black leather interior with an aluminum finish. Very modern type look. Now as you can see, here's the speedometer as well as the RPM. There's your shift pad. Nice, durable, clean. Here's, cup holder. Here's another storage box, as you can see. And in here, there's, your cigarette container with cigarette lighter or the power plug. You have all heated or cooled seats. Very nice. Full Napa leather seats. Nice stitching to give it some contrast. And got your touchscreen navigation system with dual zone climate mode. You got all you need to do to start the engine is keep the key fob on you and put your foot on the brake, hit the button to start. Now let's test her up to see how she sounds, yeah? And that's the Lexus IS 250. Hope you guys enjoyed. Has sport mode. Just flick it and it'll go into sport.